Hey guys, the widely accepted notion is that opting for a rental property is more cost-effective than owning a home. This viewpoint is grounded in the fact that purchasing a house necessitates a substantial 30-year loan commitment. Nevertheless, the act of renting carries hidden expenses that have the potential to significantly increase your monthly housing expenses. Whether you are in the process of evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of renting as opposed for homeownership, or actively seeking strategies to reduce rental expenses and alleviate financial strain, it's crucial to analyze it deeper. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are 7 hidden costs of renting a house. The first one is application fee. Property owners and rental companies frequently impose an initial payment when you submit an application for their rental accommodations. Typically, this upfront charge encompasses the expenses related to conducting a comprehensive background assessment. However, it's worth noting that certain landlords may additionally include compensation for assessing applications and processing background verifications. The specifics of this practice can vary based on your location, with state regulations often dictating the maximum amount that landlords are permitted to charge as application fees. An illustrative instance is New York, where a statutory provision prohibits landlords from imposing application fees surpassing $20. This fee structure reflects the importance of apprising potential tenants, aiming to ensure a good tenant-landlord relationship and safeguarding the property's integrity. While these fees can act as a deterrent for some, they are intended to offset the costs associated with scrutinizing applicants and conducting due diligence on their rental history, creditworthiness, and criminal records. The second one is first and last month's rent. Upon approval of your application, the majority of rental companies and landlords mandate the payment of both your initial and last month's rent as a prerequisite before moving in. This shouldn't be considered as an additional charge, as ultimately the payment of the last month's rent would be inevitable at the end of your tenancy contract. Nevertheless, it's imperative to recognize that this situation still necessitates the availability of funds equal to twice your monthly housing allocation. Consequently, wise financial planning entails accounting for this supplementary expenditure during the month in which you formalize your lease agreement. While this approach underscores the practicality of fulfilling future financial obligations in advance, it can potentially pose a challenge for individuals requiring immediate access to their full housing budget. This prerequisite ensures that both parties, the tenant and the landlord, operate on a balanced financial footing, fostering a fair and transparent leasing arrangement. Another one is security deposit. Across the majority of states, property owners retain the prerogative to charge a security deposit in addition to the initial and last month's rent. Normally, this security deposit is capped at an amount equivalent to your 1 month's rent. Importantly, it's worth noting that in most states, landlords are generally prohibited from utilizing your security deposit to cover routine property maintenance costs. Given the inherent diversity in security deposit norms and regulations among states, it's highly advisable to meticulously review the fine print of your lease agreement or contractual terms. Ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the financial implications is very important. Another one is pet fee. A significant number of rental properties do not allow housing pets. For those that do accommodate pets, landlords often ask for an initial pet deposit payment in advance, along with an additional monthly fee or potentially both. Similar to other financial requisites in the rental sphere, the precise sum that a landlord can require as a pet deposit varies depending on the state regulations in place. It's worth highlighting that if you find yourself facing a pet deposit charge, it's generally stipulated that your security deposit cannot be utilized by the landlord to cover any damages or issues arising from the presence of your beloved cat or dog. Understanding these pet-related financial obligations is pivotal as you explore housing options, especially if you're an animal lover. The variability in regulations from state to state underscores the need to carefully examine your lease agreement, enabling you to make financially sound decisions and anticipate the financial commitment involved in renting with pets. Another one is renter's insurance. Renter's insurance in general tends to come with a more affordable price tag compared to homeowner's insurance, making it a financially feasible option. This insurance coverage can prove to be immensely valuable when faced with unexpected emergencies or unforeseen circumstances. Despite its relatively lower cost, it's important to note that budgeting for approximately $12 to $15 per month is a reasonable expectation for securing renter's insurance coverage, which is typically designed to encompass protection for up to approximately $35,000. Renter's insurance serves as a safety net, extending financial support in cases as theft, fire, or damage to personal belongings. Additionally, it often includes liability coverage, which can be crucial if a guest gets injured in your rented space. Taking a closer look at the cost breakdown, the monthly premium amounts to a relatively modest expense, especially when compared with the potential financial strain that could arise from unexpected events. And another one is landscaping fees. The obligation to maintain a property's yard or garden doesn't universally fall on tenants. Rather, it's a matter that varies from one landlord to another. In a majority of cases, property owners assume the responsibility for maintaining their property's outdoor spaces. This practice underscores their role in ensuring the overall maintenance and curb appeal of the premises. Nevertheless, it's vital to note that the intricacies surrounding landscaping expenses are typically mentioned within your lease agreement. Thoroughly analyzing your lease agreement is imperative, as it equips you with a clear understanding of any potential financial responsibilities related to yard upkeep. The lease agreement serves as a pivotal reference point, mentioning the responsibilities between tenants and landlords with regards to outdoor spaces. This proactive approach not only prevents any unforeseen financial surprises, but also facilitates a friendly tenant-landlord relationship founded on clear expectations. And the last one is parking fees. Before finalizing your lease agreement, it's highly advisable to conduct a thorough review of the car park. This step involves considering various aspects. Will you need to purchase a parking pass? Is there an availability of complimentary street parking, or is a permit application necessary? Engaging in conversations with your potential neighbors can offer valuable insights into the other potential parking-related expenses. This encompasses being aware of the prevailing fees associated with towing, booting, and tickets that might be incurred due to parking oversights. Parking facilities and regulations can significantly impact your daily life in your new rental space. While the lease agreement itself may not extensively cover these details, these considerations are instrumental in your overall comfort and convenience. Being well informed about the parking conditions also serves to foster positive relationships with neighbors, as it demonstrates your commitment to adhering to the established community norms. Taking the initiative to explore parking intricacies is a key element of settling into your new rental property with a comprehensive understanding of both the living space and its immediate surroundings. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you know any other hidden costs of renting a house? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.